In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your combination switch, also known as the multifunction switch, on this Chevy Silverado. It's located on the left side of your steering column. Basically, it does wipers, high beams, and your hazards. Let's install this brand new TRQ part. Let's separate this clamshell that covers the steering column, pry up, and that should pop the top off. For the bottom, take a trim tool and pry this lever off. Now you can remove the bottom. Turning the steering wheel gives you much better access to this lower bolt that holds on the switch. There is one at the top, but we'll start with this one. Getting to this one is very tricky with the steering wheel still in position. Although it might seem like you have clear access, you are at an angle when you put in an extension on here, so you want to be very careful. What I'm going to do is, since I have this little ratcheting bit driver, I'm going to just use this because it fits a lot better. These are T25 headed bolts, so I'm going to stick this in here, break it free, and remove it this way. Okay, there it is. The one at the top is right near your hazard switch. All right, now you can take your switch off and we can unplug the electrical connectors from the back side. Okay, over here there are two. Let's do the same to these. And there it is. Take your new switch and plug in everything. Now, position it back into place. Make sure it lines up with the bolt holes. Both bolts are the same, so it doesn't matter which one goes where. Thread them in, snug them up. Let's get the lower bolt in. This one's going to be the more difficult one. Nice and snug. Let's get the steering column covers back on. Get this lower one in place. Now you can put this in if you want. Tilt it down, it'll make things easier. And get the top cover in. On the shifter side, make sure the shifter boot lines up. It should, but you want to double check it before you clamp this down tight. All right, everything's in place. So, clip it on. There we go. And on this side, perfect. Everything works fine. There you have it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.